Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a narrow universe, 1 to 3 liquid stocks or ETFs to limit noise. Then collect price, volume, fundamentals, and any alternative signals. Quality beats quantity. Build a crisp hypothesis, what pattern or indicator should predict short or medium-term returns and why. Once done, label the target variable and split your time series correctly. Make sure to track timestamps and corporate actions, so your data aligns with real trading conditions. Now you engineer features that capture momentum, mean reversion and risk, lagged returns, moving averages, RSI, and realized volatility, because models need informative inputs. Then choose a modeling ladder, a linear baseline, a tree ensemble for nonlinearity, and a compact neural net if you have enough data. Train with walk-forward cross-validation to prevent look-ahead. Include slippage and commissions in every backtest. Once fitted, analyze feature importance and error modes so you can iterate on signals and hyperparameters. Deploy by paper trading until live P&L matches backtest expectations. You want to validate execution and data latency. Automate the pipeline end-to-end, ingest data, score models, enforce position limits and log trades so you reduce manual error. Monitor performance and statistical drift continuously and set alerts for increased latency or unexpected drawdown. If metrics deviate, roll back to the last stable model. Investigate data integrity first, and then adjust features or risk parameters to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.